Want to find out what's new at Neighbourhood, what our data reports are saying about the state of sales and marketing, and what new software we've been using to collaborate better as a team in the wake of lockdowns? Well, you've come to the right place. Hey guys, it's Trav here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Welcome to the September update. And as per usual, we've got a lot to cover. We're ready to fill you in on all that's new with us, all that's happened recently, and all of our important marketing and sales metrics for the month, as well as our software spotlight. So let's get underway. First up, we're getting excited about our upcoming HubSpot user group events. All that you need to know before building a website. A 90-minute deep dive to help you master step 0. On the 28th of September at 2 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, join Liv, who will be hosting our longtime friend and CEO of Practice in Pixels, just down the road, Tyson Cobb, to uncover all the elements you need to keep in mind or wish you knew before kicking off your first website build or updating your design. The timing could not be better, as we're currently in the process of redesigning our very own website. So we're looking forward to revealing how our frustrations and delays could have been avoided with Tyson's expert insight. The event is completely free to attend, so there's no reason not to join us and be providing next level experiences for your users. Register through the link below in the comments or description. Next up, we've recently added a new HubSpot update to our channel, where Liv runs through all of the HubSpot's new features and updates and best practices for how you can start using them today. Be a part of the conversation by hitting us up in the comments section to let us know which updates you're most excited about and jumping in on, or whether you need a hand of implementation on that front. We're always here to help. Did that read right? Yeah, cool. Also fresh on the channel, and after an influx of high demand, we've got Jack back to keep us up to date on Google Ads, including how to determine the average cost per click and how you can also look to outsource your Google Ads management, as well as an all-in-one guide to the sales funnel. Remember to check out those description sections to get all of the info that you need to learn off the back of those videos. We've put all you need in there. Excitingly too, we've got 2 new speakers to introduce you to. So keep your eyes peeled as Barna and Cam appear more regularly on the channel. And also you, Jacinta. Jacinta will be making a guest appearance from music video to YouTube channel. Great to see some fresh new faces. We know you guys will love hearing from them. Now it's time to jump into the numbers in our Metrics That Matter segment, the only place that you need to head to nourish your brain with marketing and sales and customer service data to keep your business in health throughout the whole year. We know how important it is to be across all that's going on in the industry so that you can adjust your strategy accordingly. That's why, with the help of the guys at HubSpot, we've aggregated data across HubSpot's global customer base of 100,000 companies to provide you with the benchmarks to measure your business against. Now today we're going to look into all things ad spend, sales emails and support tickets, and find out how the data intersects and affects other data. Let's start with ad spend, which continues to climb throughout the year and interestingly has never been higher. Smaller companies of about 0 to 25 staff are spending almost 25% of their ads than the larger counterparts, and the manufacturing and consumer products industries are the main drivers. Recognizing that an advertising hiatus might impact their long-term sales, these industries are splurging at the moment. And if you're not currently on the advertising train and recognize that it might be the missing link to getting your business back to profitability, swing us an email and let's chat throughout how we can get you set up. Now let's move on to sales emails. Remaining steady on the sending front. The response rate is gradually diminishing as we move into the final quarter of the year. Email sends are the highest in the APAC region, in companies with staff sizes around 26 to 200, in the financial services particularly. Interestingly, however, financial services also appear to have the lowest response rate coming into September. So why is this the case? Well, we can see that previously financial services had a high response rate, particularly when COVID first took grip and people needed to get their finances in order. Whether it's because people are jaded at COVID swamping much of 2021, or that people already had their financial survival plan in place, financial services aren't seeing much in the way of responses. In the same vein, we wanted to also show you support ticket data, which has never been higher. Particularly high in the APAC and Latin American regions, companies of all sizes are spearheading the rise, although the financial services industry is seeing a monumental slew of requests for help, indicating a need for the financial services industry to focus on delighting existing customers with great service experiences, in hope of re-engaging them as customers when their situation improves. So we've included some helpful articles in the description to support you in streamlining and improving your customer service team to encourage loyalty and rebuy across the board. So check it out in the description below. Last cab off the rank, let's dive into the software spotlight. Your monthly scoop on software we've been loving that not only saves us time, but also software we love using from day to day. This month, we want to focus on Miro. As a platform we work with every single day, Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard centered entirely around modern work and empowering remote teams to collaborate as though 2020 never happened. With anticipated lockdowns popping up left, right this year, we can continue having whiteboard sessions to figure out the next problem as a team. The flexibility and opportunities available to you inside Miro make it the only platform we need to conduct interactive meetings and workshops, brainstorm effectively, strategize internal workflows, conduct mind maps, design wireframes, and collaborate with endless sticky notes. Virtual sticky notes. One of our favorite capabilities of Miro is that we can better wireframe our clients' landing pages, website pages, and forms to be able to deliver them in beautiful and close to true life versions of what we're hoping to able to develop in HubSpot for them. Grab a free account today and get 3 editable boards, or sign up to a business account and receive full functionality for about $16 a month. Hit us up if you want to see how we've been using it or need a hand getting started. We'd be happy to help you out. And that's it for this month. We hope that you're able to take away something from our September update. But remember, if you ever need a hand with anything that we've mentioned in this video, check out our blog for all the referable content that you could need, or just drop us a line and we can work it out together. But for now, that's it from me. Happy September and happy marketing. See you later.